Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and a couple of months ago, I was in Pacific, Missouri at a car show, and I saw this. It was parked up in the winner's row. It's a 1970 Stepside, and such a nice example. There you can see the original writing on the firewall. Just a great example of a great old truck, and I thought I would shoot it, and there's the first place award, and just a great looking truck, and thought I would just shoot it just because it looks all original. Again, it's a 1970 C10 Stepside, and it looks like a short bed Stepside with a 6-cylinder, or as the young kids call it nowadays, the inline 6. We always called it a straight 6. And those taillights kind of look goofy, but that was original. I did another, I think it was a 70, may have been a 72 Stepside, and I asked about that last year, maybe a year and a half ago. But great looking truck. Just wanted to include it. Radio delete. You got to love the radio delete. Just a good old farm truck, still running around, and here it is taking first place in its category. So I hope you enjoy this one as much as I enjoy bringing it to you. Great looking truck. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.